Hi.
Sabi mo hi. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Go down, go down.
Oops. Sorry.
I almost hurt my back.
I'll get the cup.
Here, I got it. Come on.
Sit with mommy.
Yep. What are we gonna do?
This is a mango medicine.
This is our mango medicine. We're gonna drink some. Okay, it's time to drink your mango medicine. Ah, natapon! Magbibihis na naman tayo.
I think this is the mango medicine.
Yes, I know. Pero wait lang.
This is a mango medicine at the bottle.
Ako na, I'll do it.
I do it too.
Sandali pa, hihigupin mo pati yung buong takip eh.
Wait, are you something?
Smell it? What's the smell? What's the flavor of the medicine?
Orange.
You're funny. It's not orange. What flavor?
Mango.
Mango. Okay, say for your medicine. Monkey. You're having a cough. It's time to drink medicine.
So sweet. Oh, Kuya scissors.
So sweet.
So many Kuya scissors.
So sweet.
One.
Do you want to do it?
Three. Yummy medicine.
Ayaw mo nga nito nung binili ko ito na nakaraan eh.
Yummy medicine.
Ako lang nagkagusto eh, kaya ako bumili ulit eh.
Yummy medicine.
Yummy medicine talaga. Bukas. Totoong medicine ulit. Wow. Wow, very strong. Wow. Enough na.
I have more.
Ako na. Oh, dali. Hindi ito lalabas eh. Kailangan ito pigain. Put it down.
Oh, wait. I picked it up on the medicine.
Yan na, ikaw na.
This flavor mango.
Finish mo na. Last na to.
Sit.
Ala, lalagay ko na dito sa medicine.
Hey.
Wala na yan. Wala na. Empty na. Empty. See? I'll put some. Put it down. That's it. Oh, see? Empty na. Empty. Empty. Drink mo maayos. Ihigupin na naman yung cup. No more na. Natapon pa. Meron pa. We're all done.
Done.
No more medicine.
No more medicine.
Get your wipes and then I'm gonna wipe your face. Come on. Get the wipes. Short mo yan, hindi yan yun. Yung purple. Hey, wait lang, doctor.